Hey guys, today I'm sharing one of the most powerful men as health drinks you can make right at home. This is a completely natural energy boosting, metabolism supporting recipe made with simple ingredients, but it's incredibly effective. So, if you're looking for a way to naturally enhance your vitality, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's get started. We're going to begin with fresh ginger. Grab a piece that's about 1.5 ounces, or roughly 40 grams. The first step is to peel it. Once it's peeled, we're going to grate it finely, and I want you to take your time with this part, because the finer you grate the ginger, the more of that incredible aroma is released, and more importantly, the more of its beneficial compounds you unlock. Ginger isn't just a spice. It has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. It's well known for its ability to improve circulation, boost libido, and give you a natural surge of energy. The magic comes from its active compound, gingerol, which helps warm the body from the inside out, support healthy digestion, and improve your overall vitality. Once you've got it all grated, place the ginger into a fine strainer over a bowl. Now, press down firmly. We want to extract every single drop of that potent ginger juice. This juice is liquid gold. It's where the real power lies. It's packed with antioxidants, metabolism-boosting compounds, and nutrients that strengthen your immune system. Next up, we need 3 to 4 walnuts. Walnuts are a fantastic food for men's health. They contain nutrients that support healthy testosterone levels and are great for your heart. Place the walnuts in a small plastic bag and gently crush them. You don't need to turn them into powder, just break them up. As you do this, you'll notice their natural oils start to release. These healthy fats are amazing for supporting brain health, improving stamina, and sustaining your energy levels throughout the day. Once crushed, transfer the walnuts into the bowl with your ginger juice. Now, we're going to add a little bit of heat. Grab some dried chili pepper and add 1 teaspoon to the bowl. Chili is a powerful natural stimulant. It works by raising your body temperature slightly, which in turn boosts your metabolism and enhances circulation. And better circulation is absolutely key for both energy and performance. Give everything a light mix so the flavors can start to mingle and activate. All right, now it's time for our main ingredient, coffee. Coffee is more than just a morning pick-me-up. Studies have shown it can naturally help boost testosterone levels, improve blood flow throughout the body, and sharpen your focus and alertness. For this recipe, you'll want to prepare a small amount of strong coffee. Even a concentrated shot, like an espresso, will work perfectly. Pour the coffee into the mixture. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, honey isn't just in here for sweetness. It's a natural powerhouse containing unique antioxidants, enzymes, and minerals that support your overall health and contribute to better stamina. Now, slowly stir all of the ingredients together. Take your time with this. As you stir, you'll see the mixture become richer, darker, and more aromatic. This slow stirring helps combine everything thoroughly, creating a nutrient-packed blend that your body can absorb quickly and efficiently. Once everything is well mixed, cover the bowl with some plastic wrap. We're going to let it rest for 15 minutes. This resting period is crucial. It allows all those amazing ingredients to infuse, to blend their flavors and properties deeply, and to release their full range of beneficial compounds. After the mixture is rested, go ahead and pour it into your favorite mug. Now, heat up 1.5 cups of water, which is about 400 milliliters, until it reaches a full boil. Slowly pour the hot water over the mixture in the mug. The intense heat is going to extract even more of the good stuff from the ginger, walnuts, chili, and coffee. As you pour, you'll notice the aroma becomes incredibly strong and rich. That's how you know it's working. Cover the mug and let it steep for 20 minutes. This final steeping step is what transforms this simple mixture into a truly powerful energy and libido-supporting drink. That longer steeping time creates a much fuller, more robust flavor and ensures that every single beneficial compound fully dissolves into the water, making the drink as potent as possible. And there you have it. Your energizing, metabolism-boosting, libido-supporting drink is ready. It's made with all natural ingredients. There are no chemicals, no weird additives, just pure strength derived from real foods. For the best results, drink it while it's nice and warm. If you want more powerful and effective men's health recipes just like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.